this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And this is card number 3 out of 4 of my card kit, which if you would like to order a card kit, go to Noreen@joyacards.com. It's $20 plus shipping. What you get is 8 cards. There are 4 designs and you get 2 apiece. So let's go ahead and do this. This is the instructional video for the kit for this particular card, and it's my Forever Triangle card. So you're going to get all the pieces all cut and everything, so all you have to do is put it together. So we have a card base of our real red here, and then we're going to take our designer series paper and we're going to go ahead and nail it up on the card, and we're going to put that right in the middle. Okay, and then you're going to get a triangle with a cut and this odd piece of gold foil, and all we're going to do is take the red triangle and snail it up and put that gold piece just right over it so it has that going on in the middle. And then let's go ahead and snail it up, and we're going to put it right in the corner of the Shining Bright DS paper, just like so. Then you're going to get Forever cut out. Now with Forever, you're going to need to use your fine tip glue. So this card, all you're going to really need is snail, fine tip glue, and this, if you don't have one of these silicone craft sheets, if you go into the body of my video there, you can pull up the bit.ly number. Just click on it. It brings you right to my Stampin' Up! Site. Because I am a demonstrator, you can place orders with me, you can get catalogs, I can help you out with card projects, anything you want, and I can help you even be a YouTube demonstrator for Stampin' Up! As well. So I can do it all. So let's go ahead, and we've already snailed or glued up our Forever, and let's put it in the corner here. Oh, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button here. It should be down here somewhere. And also there's a little like bell next to subscribe. If you click that as well, then anytime I post a video, you just automatically get notified. So that's kind of cool. So we've got those 2 elements there. Now we're going to make the triangle part here, and you get all these pieces, and what you're going to do is just kind of sort them out by size, and go ahead and you can use snail, and you want to shift it to where it's shifted but it's still in the triangle. So this one would go like here, so none of the points are outside of the triangle. Then you're going to take the red and do the same thing. I'm going to take it and I'm going to shift it and make sure that it's still in the triangle. The next piece, you shift it, make sure it's in the triangle. Next piece, it's all really easy, and in the triangle. This is that new real red foil. It's absolutely beautiful. I would suggest getting it now before people get real hot and heavy into Christmas making card season, because you know it's going to go on back order. And this, the part number for this and everything actually is in my video comments below. So go ahead and click on the bit.ly and I'll get you right to my site. So the next thing you're going to get in your little packet are your rhinestones. So there's 2 red ones here. I'm going to put a red one in the middle of this triangle, and then I put the other one in the gold triangle right there. And then you've got, let's go ahead and put our triangles on the card here. We're just going to put this where we want it. And then you get 4 more little rhinestones, and let's just put them, I'm going to just put them where I want. I'm going to put them there. You can put them anywhere you please. I'm going to put one here, and down below here, and one over here. All right, and that's the front of the card. Now the inside of the card, because that comes with the kit as well, you have another piece of the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. And if you want to use the other side of it, you know, it's your card, so knock yourself out. Just put that in the middle. The white triangle is for your sentiment. and put that there if you want to put a sentiment on it, or just put your name. And then I'm going to go ahead and snail up these 4 little red foil triangles and just put them in the corner, and that's it. And like I said, you're going to get 2 of these cards. There are other videos, instructional videos on the other 3 cards. And like I said, if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, that'd be great. I do all kinds of promotions and stuff. There's even, you can get a free stamp set from me if you place an order for $150 or more through my Stampin' Up site, which is the noreenbrungart.stampinup.net. And you also get your bonus reward. So if you're going to have an order for $150 and it's before shipping and tax, you get rewards dollars through Stampin' Up. And if you do it through me, not only do you get that, but I'll be notified. I know when anybody places an order. You also get to pick a free stamp set from the catalog, so that's good too. So this is card number 3. Like I said, if you want to place an order for a card kit, it's 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 each. Go to my Noreen at joyacards.com and I'll take care of it. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.